Maha and Sundaram can do a piece of work in 45 days and 40 days. They began the work together, but Maha leaves after some days, and then Sundaram completes the remaining work in 22 days. The number of days after which Maha leaves the work is. So as usual, the first step, we'll find out the total number of units. So Maha completes the work in 45 days. Sundaram does the work in 40 days. So in order to find out the total number of units, we'll find out the LCM of 40 and 45, which is going to be 360. So the total number of units to be completed is 360. Step 2. If Maha can complete 360 units in 45 days, how many units will he complete in one day? It's gonna be just 8 units per day. What about Sundaram? Sundaram completes the same 360 units in 40 days. So how many units will he complete in one day? So 360 upon 40, he's gonna complete 9 units per day. Right? Now moving on to the step 3, proceed as per the question. So what have they given here? They began the work together, which means definitely Maha and Sundaram have worked together for some time, and we are not sure about that. If they work together in a single day, they'll be completing 17 units, right? And after some days, Maha leaves, and then Sundaram completes the remaining work in 22 days. What does this mean? Sundaram is definitely working alone for 22 days. If Sundaram works alone for 22 days, how many units he would have completed? 22 times 9, because he is completing 9 units per day. So the total units he would have individually done would be 198 units. And what would have happened to the remaining number of units? As we know, before Sundaram alone works, both Maha and Sundaram were working together. So the remaining units apart from this 198 would have been definitely been completed by Maha and Sundaram. So 360 minus 198, and what is that going to be? 162 units. And since Maha and Sundaram are going to complete this 162 units, how long would have they taken? 162 divided by 17, and that should give us 17 days. So 9 upon 17 days. So this is the time period when both Sundaram and Maha are working together. And what is the question exactly? The number of days after which Maha left. So this is our